Good morning, little learners. Welcome back to Tiny Talk Time. I'm Miss Lily, and today we're going on a wild adventure. Are you ready to explore the zoo with me?
Wow, Miss Lily. The zoo? That's my favorite place. I can't wait to see the lions, monkeys, and elephants.
Oh, I can see your excitement, Leo. The zoo is full of amazing animals, and today we'll learn how to say their names in English and even make their sounds.
Yay! Let's go. I brought my animal notebook to write everything down.
Perfect. All right, children listening at home, repeat after us. Let's start our trip. Our first stop, the monkey house. Do you hear that?
Ooh, ooh, ha, 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 ha. They sound so funny. Monkey, monkey.
That's right. Say it with us. Monkey. Now, Leo, what do monkeys love to eat?
Bananas.
Exactly. Monkeys love bananas, and they jump from tree to tree. Can you all pretend to jump like monkeys? Ooh, ooh, ah, 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 ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, 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 ah. I'm a monkey now. That's great acting, Leo. Okay, time to visit another friend. Let's walk a little further.
I hear water, Miss Lily. What animal lives near water?
Let's find out. Look over there. A big gray animal with a long trunk.
Wow, that's an elephant.
Yes, elephant. Repeat with us, kids. Elephant. And do you know what sound an elephant makes?
Brah! Whoa, that was loud.
Elephants have powerful voices, and they love to spray water with their trunks. Can you pretend to be an elephant?
Brah! I'm a big, strong elephant.
Excellent, Leo. Now let's move to the next animal area. Ooh, I see something orange with black stripes.
Oh, that's a tiger. It looks scary but beautiful.
Very good. Tiger. Tigers are strong and fast. Listen carefully.
Rrrr. But I'm brave, Miss Lily.
I know you are. Tigers live in the jungle and they love to rest under trees. Can you roar like a tiger, kids?
Rrrr.
That's perfect. You sound just like one. Now, let's take the zoo train. Next stop, the bird garden.
Look, Miss Lily, there are so many colors. Red, blue, green.
Yes, these are parrots. Say it with me. Parrot.
Parrot. They can talk like humans sometimes, right?
That's true. Parrots are very smart. Let's listen.
Hello, hello.
That parrot just said hello.
He's saying hello to you, Leo. Everyone, say hello back to the parrot.
Hello, parrot. Beautiful. Okay, time for one more animal before we go to the snack area. Can you guess which animal has a long neck?
Oh, I know. A giraffe.
Correct. Giraffe. They eat leaves from tall trees.
Look how high they reach. I wish I were that tall.
Maybe someday. Repeat with us, everyone. Giraffe. Let's all stretch our necks like giraffes.
Giraffe. My neck hurts.
That means you're learning. Okay, Leo, time for our animal review game.
Yay! I love games.
I'm going to make an animal sound, and you have to guess which animal it is. Ready?
Ready.
I'm going to make an animal sound, and you have to guess which animal it is. Ready?
Ready.
Ooh, ooh, ah, 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 ah.
That's easy. Monkey.
Correct. Next one. Pra.
Elephant.
Yes. Last one. Grrr.
Tiger.
Perfect score, Leo. You're a zoo expert now.
Yay! Can we come back next time and see more animals?
Of course. Next time, we'll visit the farm and meet animals like cows, chickens, and pigs.
Moo, oink, cluck. I'm ready already.
You're too funny, Leo. All right, little learners, that's all for today's adventure at the zoo. Let's review quickly. We learned monkey, elephant, tiger, parrot, and giraffe.
And their sounds, too.
Exactly. Keep practicing, and soon you'll sound just like a native English speaker.
Bye-bye, friends. See you at the next Tiny Talk time.
Bye-bye, everyone. Remember, learning English is always an adventure.